A beetle pushes dung through dust, yet its secret compass is bigger than Earth. Stay with this. Watch closely. This tiny worker is not wandering. It is racing away before another beetle steals dinner. Tiny hero, huge sky. Imagine guarding a rolling lunch in a crowd where every neighbor wants the same prize. That is the weird part. The straight line is survival. Less zigzag means less time near thieves, heat, and danger. Speed is safety. Try walking straight while staring only at the floor. Now, give that job to a beetle. This is where it turns. By day, many dung beetles steer with the sun, like a living compass under the savannah sky. The sky is the key, but at night, the sun vanishes. The ground looks flat, and the mystery gets cosmic. The dirt meets deep space. Above the beetle, the Milky Way glows like a pale highway painted across the dark sky. The tiny compass wakes up. The beetle is not naming stars. It reads the sky's bright band as a direction signal. Keep the sky in mind. Researchers even gave beetles tiny caps blocking the sky, and their paths fell apart. The tiny twist lands. With a clear sky, they rolled straighter. With clouds, they wandered like lost shopping carts. This gets wild. Then came the planetarium test, where scientists could switch stars on and off. Here, the lab becomes cosmic. When only the Milky Way remained, the beetles still rolled in strong, straight routes. The next fact is better. That means the galaxy's soft glow can guide an insect smaller than a grape. And the galaxy is doing the guiding. It is not magic. Their eyes compare brightness across the sky and keep a chosen angle. The science is wild.
Before rolling, a beetle often climbs the ball and spins, like it is checking the compass. Stay for the proof. At the dung pile, waiting is risky. Rivals can grab the ball or fight for the same treasure. That part matters. So the beetle makes a quick choice. Pick a direction, lock it in, and roll away fast. Do not miss this detail. On moonless nights, the Milky Way becomes the lighthouse no one expected, and the galaxy is doing the guiding. A creature in the dirt is using a galaxy of stars as part of its survival toolkit. And yes, scientists tested it. Remember the gross job? It comes with one of nature's most elegant navigation systems. Nature is showing off. But city lights can wash out the night sky, making natural compasses harder to read. Keep that detail in mind. Humans need maps, satellites, and chargers. This beetle just needs a dark sky overhead. The next fact is better. Engineers study insect navigation because simple sky reading could inspire smarter robots. The science is wild. Comment this. Is the beetle disgusting, genius, or somehow both at the same time? It gets even stranger here. Pull back from the dung ball, past grass, past clouds, and suddenly the guide is the galaxy. Tiny hero, huge sky. This is not random crawling. It is measured, tested, and stranger than most sci-fi. The galaxy is the guide here. The worst-looking workplace on Earth may have the most beautiful office ceiling. Now, the ceiling becomes art. Picture a glowing compass ring above the beetle, turning as the Milky Way tilts. The glowing sky clue gets big. Evolution did not need a tiny GPS chip. It shaped eyes and behavior to use the sky. That is the weird part.
Ancient sailors used stars across oceans. This beetle uses them across the dirt. The dirt meets deep space.
A brain smaller than a grain of rice can still solve a problem that feels enormous. It gets even stranger here. Next time you see the Milky Way, remember, somewhere, a beetle may be steering by it. The twist starts here. The cow made the pile, the beetle made the ball, and the galaxy made the route. The full trick finally clicks. Dung ball, fast escape, sky check, straight roll. That is the whole cosmic trick. The full trick finally clicks. Nature keeps hiding wonder in places people usually avoid looking at closely. Save this for your next skywalk. In the planetarium, the beetle became a tiny explorer under an artificial universe. Do not miss this detail. Remove the sky, and the path breaks. Restore the glow, and direction returns. And the tiny compass comes back. The clue is the Milky Way's broad stripe, not one famous star or a tiny constellation. Keep that detail in mind. Dark skies matter, not just for telescopes, but for animals doing ordinary night work. This is where it turns. From the grossest chore to the grandest guide, this beetle turns waste into wonder. Keep that detail in mind. If this tiny navigator surprised you, tap like so more hidden science reaches your feed. Do not miss this detail. Share this with someone who thinks small animals cannot do mind-blowing things. The galaxy is the guide here. Subscribe for more strange science, and send a thanks if this story made your day brighter. Tiny hero, huge sky. The beetle rolls on, the galaxy shines above, and the dirtiest job ends with cosmic grace. Nature is showing off.